If you want to block someone on Amazon Prime Video, follow these straightforward steps to manage your viewing experience effectively. Step 1. Open Amazon Prime Video. Launch the Amazon Prime Video app on your device or visit the Amazon Prime Video website on your browser. Step 2. Sign into your account. Enter your Amazon account credentials to sign in. Make sure you are logged into the account that has the Prime Video subscription. Step 3. Access your profile. Navigate to your profile icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 4. Go to Account Settings. In the drop-down menu, look for Account and Settings or Settings. Click on it to open your account management options. Step 5. Manage blocked users. Find the section for managing blocked users or privacy settings. Here, you can enter the name or email of the person you wish to block and confirm the action. By following these steps, you can successfully block someone on Amazon Prime Video, ensuring a more personalized viewing experience.